Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the hottest living room decorating ideas for 2024. Whether you're looking to refresh your space or do a complete makeover, these trends and tips will help you create a stylish and inviting living room. Let's get started. 1. Sustainable and eco-friendly decor. First up, sustainable and eco-friendly decor. In 2024, there's a big focus on using natural materials like wood, bamboo, and recycled fabrics. Opt for furniture and accessories that are environmentally friendly. This trend looks great, and it feels good knowing you're helping the planet. 2. Bold colors and patterns. Next, let's talk color. Bold colors and patterns are making a strong comeback this year. Think deep greens, rich blues, and vibrant oranges. Don't be afraid to mix and match patterns. Florals, geometrics, and abstract designs can all work together to create a dynamic and lively space. 3. Statement lighting. Statement lighting is key to creating a standout living room in 2024. Oversized pendant lights, elegant chandeliers, and unique floor lamps can all add a touch of drama and sophistication. Lighting isn't just practical, it's a major design element that sets the room's mood. 4. Textured walls. Textured walls are another hot trend. From wallpaper with intricate patterns to textured paint and wall panels, adding texture to your walls can create depth and interest. This is a great way to make a bold statement without overwhelming the room. 5. Cozy and inviting elements. In 2024, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere is more important than ever. Think plush rugs, soft throw blankets, and lots of cushions. Incorporate natural elements like plants and wooden accents to add warmth and make the space feel more welcoming. 6. Minimalist aesthetic with personalized touches. While minimalism continues to be popular, 2024 is all about adding personalized touches. Keep the overall look clean and uncluttered, but don't be afraid to display personal items like family photos, travel souvenirs, and unique artwork. These elements make your living room truly your own. And there you have it, the top living room decorating ideas for 2024. From sustainable decor to bold colors and multifunctional spaces, these trends will help you create a living room that's both stylish and comfortable. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more interior design tips. Share your favorite trends or ask any questions in the comments below. Until next time, happy decorating!